Hi, so today my topic will be about the need for veterinarian technicians. Now, veterinarian technicians have many roles, but some include performing diagnostic tests and x-rays, preparing animals and instruments for surgery, administering medications, vaccines, and treatments, providing emergency first aid or general nursing care, and observing and reporting on the behavior and conditions of animals. Onto some background on veterinary technicians. The U.S. Bureau of Labor projected that the veterinary technician field is projected to increase 16% through 2029. Now, veterinary technicians are required to take 2 years of schooling at an accredited college that has license to teach veterinary medicine. And in some states, it is not required to go to a licensed school. You can go to a clinic and work there and gain experience. But if you were to go to another state where they required it, you would not have the same credentials. Now, here are some few issues within the veterinary technician field. And the first one will be technicians deal with a amount of daily issues, which may include managing frightened animals, handling stressed pet owners, working with research animals, and administering euthanasia. Another issue within the field is the shortage of technicians due to the workload, to feeling burnt out, or not receiving the recognition they feel is deserved. The last issue I'll be talking about today is a TED Talk which was given by Melanie Bowden, where she discussed suicide rates within the field. And she spoke about the issue which was since 2010, the people who have left the veterinarian field, 10% of them have committed suicide. Police officers ranking in first, veterinarians have ranked second highest on the rating of suicide. Now we have a chart here where it shows the proportionate mortality ratio of U.S. veterinarian deaths attributed to suicide. Now orange line is for females and the blue line is for males, which goes all the way back to 1980 all the way up to 2014. And according to the AVMA, they stated that male veterinarians were 2.1 times as likely and female veterinarians were 3.5 times as likely to die from suicide compared to the members of the U.S. general population. The solution that veterinarian technicians are hoping to accomplish, which is to solve the one issue of feeling unappreciated, which is not to solve other issues in the field, but they're just hoping to make change in one of those issues. And the solution is to change their title, which is veterinarian technician, to veterinary nurse. Now, when people think of veterinary technician, people often think of people who work with electronics or may clean up the clinic, but veterinary technicians do a lot more than clients may think. Now, the title nurse is already associated with the health area, and people already associate with them with helping humans and helping them get better and helping the doctors perform any surgery and help them at all. And the hope of changing their title to veterinary nurse is to help people realize that they do the same but for animals. Now, they are proposing a bill, which is the veterinary nurse bill, which has started in Ohio and was introduced on February 13th, but did not advance due to recess, but was then said to be likely reintroduced in 2019. Thank you.